Creating 3D prints.
Hiya, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a mail call. This is from a really good friend of mine called Rc Dre. I've done some prints for him over the last couple of months and stuff, and he sent me this little package. I know what it is, and I just can't wait to open it and have a play with it. As you know, that on my prints I do actually paint them, and it takes hours upon hours upon hours. So this kit will cut those hours massively down. So again, David, aka the Rc Dre, thank you so much. I really mean it. Thank you. So let's open it. So what do we get inside? You get the instructions. I think you guys know what it is. It's an airbrush. So the instructions are there. Get the piping, and it's braided. So that's really cool. Wow. That's nice quality, that. So braided piping. I think that's a little stand that goes on top of your motor. Down here is the airflow feed. In here, I'm guessing it's the AC adapter. Yeah, so that's the AC adapter. Pretty cool. Let's check this out. Oh, in the box. No, that's it. So, put the box down there. Let's see what's in here. Wow, it's just tiny. Yeah, it's quite heavy though. So this is the motor, the compressor, air compressor. Let's see if you can see it. So obviously the AC adapter goes in there, your air pipe goes in there, on off switch there. Pretty cool, nice. Wow, it's quite heavy. I think it needs to be. And under here, you can get it out. Put this over there so we can see. Oh, that's nice. It's got nice little rubber feet on. Cool. And in here, wow, is the airbrush itself. So I won't take out this casing until tomorrow. I'm going to set up my little booth which I got over there, and I'll have a good play with it. And my painting experiences with an air gun is zilch and none. Never used one before, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. You know, so yeah, pretty cool. This is awesome. So David, thanks again for getting me this. This is absolutely unbelievable. I'm so excited to use this and see the difference in my painting on the 3D models. So thanks guys for watching. Just a very quick unboxing on this airbrush. And if you want to go over to David's channel, the Rc Dre, I'll leave a link in the description box below. But yeah, he does all the RC cars and trucks and everything, and it goes live. It is a really awesome channel. So once again guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.